Hello friends, welcome back to IBS Tech channel, and this video we have a look of Vechain crypto. As you know that it is a start of a new month, a lot of people confused that every cryptocurrencies falls down. What should they do as it best time to buy, sell or hold Vechain crypto? So in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Vechain crypto. After that we decided it is time to buy, sell or hold Vechain crypto. So before starting this brand video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so first of all please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Now let's see the price prediction of the Vechain crypto of the previous last 1 hour. As you can see now on the screen, that is a live price prediction of last 1 hour of the Vechain crypto. So if we see the chart analysis of Vechain crypto, so the chart tells us that they falls down, but if we see the current situation, they take a jump. As you can see here, take a jump, continuously take a high period jump, as you can see here. But unfortunately, if we see the current situation of Vechain crypto, so they are again ready for a falling down. But don't worry, they also take a high jump. That is why the changes is in positive. 0.59% change occur in the Vechain crypto in the previous last 1 hour, and the high price of Vechain crypto is about $0.091249 is the high price of Vechain in the previous last 1 hour. So friend, that is the live price prediction of last 1 hour. Now let's see the live price prediction of previous 2 hour. What's the price change occur in the previous last 2 hour? As you can see now on the screen, that is a live price prediction of previous last 2 hour. As you can see now, it's a continuously long-term project. As you can see here, long-term falls down, long-term jump, and now currently they again take a falls down. After a falling down, they again take a jump. That is my expectation from the Vechain crypto. Don't worry about the falling of every cryptocurrencies falls down. As you know, every crypto period is a start of new month. That is why every cryptocurrencies falls down. So friends, if we see the average level of Vechain crypto falls down, so the changes is a negative 0.37% change occur in the Vechain in the previous last 2 hour, and the high price of Vechain is about $0.091265 is the high price of Vechain. So friends, according to the price prediction, according to the last 1 hour 2 hour price change, it is clear that the Vechain crypto falls down and the changes is also in negative. So my suggestion for all of Vechain holder that it's time to hold Vechain crypto. All Vechain holder alert and hold your Vechain crypto. With the last of this month, a big jump, a big explosion of the Vechain crypto are soon. Wait for it. After a 10th April, their jumping period starts. So please wait for a 10th April and hold your Vechain crypto. That's only my suggestion for all of you. I am not ordering you. What's your opinion about Vechain crypto? Please share in the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe IBS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. I will update you every hour from a new cryptocurrencies up news.